Hello, my name is Roland, and in this video we will see a simple application for creating simple drawings. This application was made in Python 3.9 with PyQt6 Designer. We have a form application split it in two parts. First part, we need to select how the orientation for the main view will be. This one either is related to the main axis system or other axis. To the main axis system, we have the possibility to choose three choices. So we have the XY, YZ, and ZX. First letter is the vertical direction and the second letter will be the horizontal direction. So also we have the possibility to preview this one. If it's not clear how the part will look like according to this axis, we can easy preview. Then I will select the other axis and check. I will check the first part in the assembly and get all the axis information from that part. So we have two axis system. I will use the same absolute axis because my construction is already made in this system. But I will select the orientation of ZY. So the Z will be the vertical and Y will be the horizontal. After that, here I add some characteristics to be checked. For us, it's matter only now the format, which format we will have, A0, A1 or A2, and also the scale. So main view will be 1:1, the isometric view 1:2. So I will create a drawing with these settings. So what we will get an A0 drawing with 4 views. So basically we have the main view here with 2 dimensions, volume dimensions. Then we will have 2 auxiliary views. I added also some instances from the sheet detail and also the isometric view. Also, if we need a smaller, maybe a smaller frame, we can choose scale 1:2 and also 1:5 for the isometric view. Let's see how this one will look. So the same, we'll get the same layout, other positions, and of course, yeah, according to our specifics. I didn't add all the text or characteristics specified for plastic or metal. It's not the case in this video. So basically the goal was to show you just the simple tool to create drawings and also with the possibility to be customized. I hope you enjoy it and have a nice day.